Business news now. Malaysia Airlines has confirmed talks are underway with Malaysia's Sovereign Wealth Fund on support for the carrier, although nothing has been committed at this stage. Khazanah Nasional has been reported as considering providing up to $1.2 billion. The national carrier has been struggling since it was privatised in 2014, and the number of domestic flights is set to increase, with some international services to resume next month for essential travel. Now, if confirmed, MAS would join carriers around the world receiving government stimulus. The Hong Kong government is leading a $5 billion rescue package for Cathay Pacific. Cathay chairman Patrick Healy says that airlines cannot access commercial debt without government support. The administration will allocate $3.5 billion of its own money, the first time it will put funds directly into a private company. Singapore Airlines has been given a helping hand by the government. It has just closed a $6.4 billion rights issue backed by majority stakeholder, state investor Temasek. And the airline has the option of raising another $4.5 billion in convertible bonds and has raised billions more in loans. US airlines are receiving about $25 billion in government aid to help save jobs. And in Europe, Lufthansa and Air France-KLM have been given a combined $22.8 billion from their respective governments. And there are still airlines that are in urgent need. The Dubai Crown Prince has said the government will inject capital into Emirates, but there's been no update since. The carrier is said to be laying off hundreds of cabin crew this week. AirAsia, Southeast Asia's biggest budget carrier, is also sorting out its funding. CEO and founder Tony Fernandes reportedly may sell 10% of the airline to raise cash. Analysts estimate the carrier is burning about $120 million in cash a month. The airline is also said to be considering slashing its 20,000-person workforce by up to 30%.